This is a technique I use sometimes when I want to enlarge my yarn over or make it look as though my yarn over is on a different row. You can see that on the knit side, I already have a yarn over here. So I'm purling back and I'm going to just purl up to where my yarn over is. And then instead of working into the yarn over, I'm going to slip it and yarn over at the same time. So now the yarn over has two strands, and I'm just going to continue to the end now. When I come back to the yarn over on the knit side, I can just work right into it as though it was a single stranded yarn over and work on by. And now the yarn over looks like it takes up two rows. It's a little bit bigger than it would have been as just a single strand across.